Hello, welcome to a drone repair video. We're going to be doing some light repairs on my mini quad here. Repairs being my positive wire for my receiver has decided to break off from the flight controller, and my telemetry wire has also decided to break off from its connector. So we will be fixing the positive wire and attempting to fix the telemetry wire. So hopefully that goes well. Without any further ado, let's start. So we're gonna start off by taking off all the screws, and I'll probably speed forward through this. So I don't know if you're looking through the session right now, but I'm putting in the little screwdriver and we shall begin taking off the screws. So I will begin by taking them off the front here. That's 1, that is 2, 3, right by your position, 4, 5, and finally 6. Now, my receiver wire was completely taken off, but I made a little quick field repair and I soldered it back on, but I didn't have any flux, so it's kind of holding on there by a string. So yeah, gotta resolder that in order to not fall out of the air next time I'm just flying, because that's happened to me before, and if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the carnage. So, and I do not want that to repeat. If this screw would come out, that'd be great. Thank you. Okay. Also, GoPro session cam here. We will be putting on our little 3D printed camera mount. It is not the same one as in the Instagram post I made, because that one just exploded as soon as it touched the ground. So that one's not very good quality. I printed it out of Hips, which is, or at least I thought it would be a stretchier material. Or not stretchier, but like bendy and more flexible. But I stand corrected, because as soon as it hit the ground, it just shattered. So this one I printed with PLA, and it should be good. It feels much more solid than the Hips one. The Hips one felt like mushy. Alright, so back to the session cam here. Now I'm going to take out the little antenna out of this crippled little back tail portion, which I will be fixing the ghetto way. If you can see that there, it's very highly delaminated and just broken. Here you go, GoPro, just in case the session shot didn't work out. So yeah, that's pretty broken. And yeah, let's get to fixing that receiver wire. So if you can see, and right here in the session cam, you can see that here are the 3 wires for the receiver, the negative, the positive, and the signal. And if you can see that, the positive one isn't held in there very securely. There's like no solder up in that wire at all. So we're going to have to resolder that. And then the second issue is with the telemetry wire. This thing just straight up popped out of the... Oh no. Uh-oh. I have lost the little plug for it. That's great. I don't know, we'll figure something out with the telemetry wire. But for now, let's fix the... Oh, never mind! Hey, Dad to the rescue. Here's the connector. I got a little spooked. Alright, so we're good with that, so we're going to try to fix that as well. So, yeah, let's, for now, fix the positive wire. And I'll be right back with some tweezers. Tweezers have been obtained, and the session shot failed me, so we're gonna go for the good old mounted shot. And I'm not sure if you can actually see anything because it doesn't look focused, but you'll get the idea. So we're gonna go ahead and unsolder this. There we go. It has been unsoldered. I think we can add a bit more solder to that. Now we're going to grab the little red wire. Oh, my LiPos are done charging. But we're going to unravel these from this little knot to shorten the length. And we're going to not strip exactly, but just add some flux to the end of this little red wire. And I got my fingers in the flux. No. Okay, fingers clean. So we're gonna just put the tip of it in the flux a little bit and remelt that solder to get it nice and in that wire. The session shot, will you be able to catch this? You might. Okay, watch this. There we go, got some flux on that. Seems to be nice and covered with, oh no, nice and covered with solder. So now I'm going to get these wires and put them in the correct order because I don't want them just to be like flopping around. Where's my tweezers? Grab the tweezers. And solder it right there. So let's go ahead and attempt to do that first try. Let me grip that wire a little bit. There we go. Press it down on top. I think that should work. There we go. Perfect. There we go. That's a nice solid joint. Alright. Wipe off our tip a little bit. And yeah, so that's that. That is done. So now what we have to do is try and figure out this little telemetry wire. By the way, in case you haven't noticed, the GoPro is mounted on the prop. So it's a very expensive merry-go-round at this point. But yeah, so let's go ahead and try to figure something out with that telemetry wire. So, as you can see, this is this little plug that you have for your telemetry / smart port, and the wire has come out of this little plug. So what I think I'm going to do is I am going to pop out here, go session. I'm going to pop out this little tiny pin. I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but I'm going to pop out this tiny pin to the very right. There you go, you can see it nice there. I'm going to pop it out and I'm going to try to uncrimp the cable that is currently inside of it. Put in this stripped cable that's exposed right here on the telemetry wire and recrimp it and put it back into the connector. So I'm not sure if that's gonna work, but I mean that's the only option we have, so why not try it? So I'm gonna set up the session and we'll be right back. Alright, so I have chosen to use one of my LiPo boxes for this. It's a bit wobbly, but it'll work. Okay, so what we're going to start with is we are going to undo this tiny little pin or plastic crimp on this connector in order to get out the metal pin. So this might be a little hard since there's no more wire, but we're going to try. Oh no, these tweezers, they're bending. Whatever. Okay. Just bend them back. Okay, so we got a nice little grip on it, and let's just bend it up, not break it, hopefully. There we go, that seems to be loose. Yep. Okay, now I have to pull this out. Can you see that, GoPro? Oop. Oh, almost. Oh no, I pushed it back in, god dang it. Get out. Try number 2. Bend it back. And push it out. Come on. Aha, okay. Okay. Yes, okay, we got it out. So that is a extremely small little thingy there. So I'm not sure how much luck we're gonna have, but we have no other option. So we better do it, and we better do it on the first try. Can you guys see that there? Is that unfocused? Focus. Boom. Focus on this. I don't know, whatever. It's just really small. Okay, so what I'm going to try and do here is go under this little casing and pry it open. Okay, so I have gotten out this little piece of old wire that was inside the crimp. So now what I'm going to do is grab our little mini quad here and attempt to put a little piece of wire inside that little crimp and then recrimp it. Dad, why are you making noises? I'm making production value. Oh my god, demon mode activate. But yeah, so now what we have to do, I'm not sure if this GoPro can even see it. Here, let me angle this up a bit. There we go. So I'm gonna make this into a nice little braid, not braid, but like twist it up. And I'm going to put it inside the connector and hopefully crimp it? I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But I need telemetry for my battery voltage since I don't have an OSD. In case you're wondering what flight controller this is that I'm using here is a Lux V2. Very good board compared to what two boards I've used, which is like Chinese version of the SP Racing F3. Yeah, I fell out of the sky, and it's not a very good gyro in it either. I'm not sure if that's because of clean flight or because of the actual gyro, but it did not fly well at all. It felt like flying like a stick of butter through the air, and not in a good way. It felt like flying a fat stick of butter. Cat, stop making noises. Which end did this even go into? Okay, I see. This end. Okay, we gotta put that in through this little hole. Okay, insertion complete. And now I think we have to crimp it. I don't know. Okay. Hold that there. Stay still. I got you. Crimpers obtained. Okay. So now we're going to gently grasp this little connector and squeeze the living daylights out of it. Okay. Oh yeah, that's on there. Okay. Now let's attempt to put it into this little thingamaboob here. And hopefully it's gonna fit and it's not going to explode. Actually, here, one second. I'm gonna trim off this little bit of wire that's sticking out the end of it. Oh no, GoPro, get back up here. I didn't say you're free. Here you go. Okay, so trimmed off this little bit of a wire. Bad idea to do it over your quad, by the way. Make sure to brush it off before you go fly or even turn it on. But yeah, so test fit. Hopefully this will work. And I have no clue which way it goes. Oh my god. Pretty positive it goes, pretty sure it goes into this little hole right here. Okay, so slight malfunction. Let's see. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's squeeze it. The little tweezers here to make sure that it doesn't pop out. And in the process, bend the tips of them to smithereens. Ah, cheap tweezers suck. Okay. And that is in there. I think we have fixed our telemetry wire. Sweet. Ah, I feel proud of myself. Okay, here, let's bend these tips back real quick. Tweezers fixed. Okay. So, gotta test out the telemetry. I will be right back and grab myself a battery. 2 lipos obtained. Alright. So, shall we test this? Actually, before I make a fatal mistake, I'm gonna take off the props. That's number one rule. If you're gonna start it up and test it in your hands, take off the props. I have made that poor decision, or mistake I should say, once, and it cut my wrist up pretty bad. Like, I was considered emo at my school. No, I'm kidding. But, yeah. Take off the props and I will be right back. Oh, that's a stubborn bolt. Holy jeez. That really stubborn bolt. Like, I legit got myself on the holy dude, these props are very much suffocating. These are very, very stunning. Damn, son. Come on. I think I'm gonna towel in my props are good. Props are good. And last one. Fish are good. And last one. Oh, fish, what are you doing? Ah, there we go. No towel needed. Not today. Last time I needed a towel because I haven't changed my props in like forever since I got these Cyclone V2s. Very nice props. I do highly recommend them, especially if you're an acro flyer. These make your quad feel like a butter quad. Even if you have a potato quad, it makes it feel like a freaking butter quad. Best props I've ever flown. Alright. Turn that around. And let's test our fix. I need my Tyrannus. Be right back. Tyrannus obtained. Okay. Got the whip it out, you know. Okay, turn it on.
Hey, boss, time to rip it. Throttle warning.
Yes, I know, Mr. Tyrannus. Okay, switches all off. Okay, should be fine. Alright, so let's plug in and actually wait, nope, gotta plug in these cables first. Yeah, I think the telemetry one is in the wrong spot. Even if it is, I can easily switch it. Okay. Session, can you see that? Oh wow, you're hot! Whoa! Session, you trying to burn me? Trying to roast? Okay. Plug that in. Come on. There you go. Put that in. Nice and snug. Oop, there you go. Turn you around. Pop in our little telemetry wire. Oh yeah, I think it's in the wrong way. Actually, no. No, I think it's in the right way. Because I remember saying it's all the way to the right when I was looking at the pinout. Dude, come on, cooperate here. Oh, that was a burp. Okay, there we go. Alright. Let's go ahead and plug up. No. Antenna. Ooh, almost forgot. Rip VTX if I forgot right there. Okay. I bet half of you that actually know something about quads were like, oh my god, if he doesn't put on the antenna, I hope he got spare money. Okay. So, antenna on, wires connected properly. Yes, okay. Nothing that can explode, hopefully. So let's plug in and see if it works.
No battery.
No, it is not, Tyrannus. Okay, let's arm.
OMG, finally.
We arm. Now let's see if it tells me the voltage. Keep our fingers crossed.
16 volts.
Yes! Okay, we have done it. Fix complete. On arm. Oh, okay, I'm proud of myself at this point. Whoa.
Telemetry lost.
Yo, this XT60 is like super loose now. I'm not sure what happened, but this battery just slides in and out. Okay, don't make any jokes. Don't do it. Okay. So, fix complete. Now what I have to do is fix this extremely broken tail. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do with this at this point. It's so butchered. Here, let me take out the little telemetry wire. Oh yeah, and how these wires fell out in general, I have no clue. I literally flew it yesterday. I put it on my shelf, and then the next day I come back, which is today, to fly it, and it's just crippled. Like, I don't even know what to tell you. But yeah, so this is fixed. I'm proud of myself mainly because I'm the one that fixed it. Let's unscrew our little antenna here in the back, turn off the Tyrannus for now, and put the quad to the side. So, now what we have to decide is, do I use the new top plate from my spare frame, or do I attempt and salvage this? Because salvaging this would be a lot less work than putting on this new top plate, because I have to reheat, shrink, yeah, all the situation that I don't feel like doing. So I'm going to attempt to fix this delamination. I fixed it already once with, wow, this is way worse than I thought actually. Oh boy. Oh my god. Rest in peace, frame. Oh no. Man. No. It broke off. Oh, rip. Ah, dude. Well, Dad, I'm gonna have to use the spare top plate. Ah, dude. I was not looking forward to doing that. Let's not dwell on our pain and just get over with it. Alright, so here's the finished product. We have fixed everything that needed to be fixed. We have attached the GoPro mount. We have fixed the back plate. As you can see, new fresh shiny back plate. We have attached our little antennas. And yeah, everything is up and running now. So be on the lookout for more flight videos. And I'll see you guys next time.